third question, if tan a plus b is equal to square root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by square root 3 and a plus b lies between 0 degree and 90 degrees, that is a plus b is greater than 0 degrees and less than equal to 90 degrees and a is greater than b, then find a and b. So let's start. So they have given that tan of a plus b is equal to square root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by square root 3. Now we know that root 3 is tan 60. The value of tan 60 is root 3. Tan 60 is square root 3 and tan 30 is 1 by square root 3. It means in place of square root 3 we can write tan 60. So tan of a plus b is equal to tan 60, because they have given the condition that the a plus b lies in 0 to 90 degrees only. So tan 60 and tan of a minus b is equal to tan 30. So we get that a plus b, because both are tan, so angles must be equal. So a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30. Now let's add both the equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Add both the equations. Equation 1 plus equation 2 gives a plus a is 2a plus b minus b cancels out is equal to 60 plus 30 is 90. So we get a is equal to 45 degrees. Now a is equal to 45 degrees and a plus b is 60 degrees. So b is equal to 60 minus 45, which is 15 degrees. So b is 15 degrees. A is greater than b. So the answer becomes that and a is 45 degrees and angle b is 15 degrees. So this is the final answer for the third question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.